Introducing Omron HEM 7124 Blood Pressure Monitor, equipped with our Enhanced IntelliSense Technology, which ensures fast and accurate measurements from the comfort of your home. It's very easy to use. Start by connecting the cuff to the device. Wrap the cuff securely around your upper left arm. Make sure that the cuff is placed exactly over the artery and leave a gap of 1 to 2 centimeters from your elbow. Keep the tube pointing down and in line with your fingers. Now relax, keep your back straight and arm supported, and press the Start-Stop button. Our Enhanced IntelliSense Technology automatically personalizes the cuff inflation to ensure fast, accurate, and more comfortable measurements. The HEM 7124 stores the last result for your reference, but you can also save the measurements on your phone. The Omron Connect App helps you to track your hypertension on the go and share your readings instantly. Consult your physician if you have additional questions about your health and the use of our products. Omron, the most recommended brand by doctors.